Hi everyone, welcome back to our Baja Bug Overland project.
I've got some bad but predictable news about the bug.
What is it?
I also have some very exciting news about the bug.
Why does that sound expensive to me? Okay, what's the bad news?
This 1500cc single port has seen better days. It's blowing massive amounts of oil out the exhaust. It has no power at all to it. And probably the worst thing is there's a connecting rod knocking on the door, fixing to leave the party.
Can you fix it?
Probably could, but then we'd still have a 1500cc single port. I think that that would not be money well spent.
So, what's your plan?
Well, this is where the good news comes in. Right now, as we speak, as we're filming this, we have a new motor being built for us. It's going to be a much larger displacement, have some go-fast goodies in it. So we're looking at probably doubling the horsepower from this old 1500 single port.
So I was right. Your good news is going to be expensive.
It's not going to be that bad. Besides, we'll have a brand new, reliable engine.
All right, what do we do now? When will it be ready?
Next Monday.
Next Monday? Next week's Monday?
No, tomorrow's Monday. And since we're going to be using all this stuff on top of our engine on the new one, we have to pull this out and take it with us. Well, pitter patter, let's get at her. Keep going.
Spinning.
Yeah, it's supposed to.
It just pulls.
Hope so.
How does it pull? The top pulls off?
The whole thing.
How?
You just lift up on it. Okay, let's get a hammer.
So from here it's going to come off?
Yep, should. Is it moving?
Yeah, a little bit.
There it goes. Woohoo!
There we go. Have you ever taken an engine out of a VW before?
Nope, first time.
Are you sure we're doing it right?
Nope, first time. Okay, we're out. What's holding it over here? Oop, don't let it hit me in the head. All right, just pull back, pull straight back. Should come out. What the hell?
Something's holding it up over here.
All right,
Yeah.
hold on. Okay, there she goes.
Watch your head.
Okay, it looks like those bolts we just took out are holding the transmission and engine up. We better get a floor jack under this right way.
We realize that Volkswagen stuff isn't what our Toyota followers typically come to our channel to see, and we're cool with that. We do hope this series gains momentum though. If you don't mind, do us a big favor and share to your social media and tell your friends about us.
Hopefully, not a lot of fuel will come out of here. Yay, win. Whoops. Oh. And that is the wrong size wrench. Fit this side? No.
What size do you need?
I think it's 11/16. It's not metric. Somebody scabbed in a regular bolt. Okay. All right, I don't see anything else that is going to prevent this bad boy from coming out. So, let's try to pull it out. Let me know if anything is still attached. I'll have to pull it back a little bit. Come on.
See a bunch of fuel spilling out.
Where's the fuel coming from? The engine side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I ain't worried about that.
Okay.
Is it coming away from the trans?
Starting to. Yep. Careful, it's going to lean back a little bit, it looks like. Towards you.
Towards me?
Yeah, you don't have it centered.
Okay. Tell me when the shaft is away from, I think there should be a shaft going into the clutch.
It's yeah. Do you need my help? It's leaning towards you.
Yeah, let's lower this down. Get the handle, just twist it, lower it down. Slowly, slowly. Okay, it's out.
All right. Yay.
You know, we're gonna have to start thinking about a new transmission too.
Here we go. Let's stay focused on the engine and we can talk about the transmission later.
Just planning ahead. In the next episode, we'll be over at our engine builder shop. There we'll talk about all the details going into the new engine and fire it up for the first time.
Then we'll come back here and bolt it in before we forget how we took this one out.
Hope you took pictures. In the meantime, hit that like button, leave a comment, and we hope you consider subscribing to our channel.
Thanks for watching.
All right, let's get this loaded up.
How much does this thing weigh?
Don't know, never lifted one before. We're about to find out.